Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification in TikTok app. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the app and just click on this three dot here, click here and go to the setting and privacy options, and you have multiple option here. Just go and click to the setting a security option here, click on security, and here you find the two-step verification. So you just need to enable the option that after that the two-step verification will enable. So you have multiple option to choose. You can do with authenticator, you can do with your mobile number, you can with email. So I'm going to choose my email address and password as a two-step verification. So just click on turn on button. After clicking on the button, you have option add a phone number to recover your account. So here you asking the mobile number. So but I don't want my mobile number as a two-step verification setup, so I just skip this option. And here's showing your device, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this device, yes, I'm skipping this option, and here's done. So my two-step verification authentication has been successfully on email address and my password. So you can choose if you like to choose a phone number or authenticator, you can go with those options. So this is how you can enable two-step verification on your TikTok app. So this is a very simple process. So that's for the video. If you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.